The Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft is an Indian program to develop a fifth-generation fighter aircraft for the Indian Air Force and the Indian Navy. The design of the aircraft is carried out by Aeronautical Development Agency, an aircraft design and development agency constituted under Defense Research and Development Organization. It is expected to be produced by a public-private joint venture between the DRDO, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and an Indian private company. The program has an aim to start production by 2028. AMCA will be a single-seat, twin-engine, stealth all-weather swing-roll fighter aircraft, expected to have sixth-generation characteristics. The amca, which is intended to perform a multi-tier superiority, ground strike, suppression of enemy air defenses, and electronic warfare missions, would be a potent replacement for the Sukhoi Su-30 amca air superiority fighter, which forms the backbone of the IAF fighter fleet. The amca design is optimized for low radar cross-section and super-cruise capability. Feasibility study on amca and the preliminary design stage have been completed, and the project entered the detailed design phase in February 2019. A CAD model of the aircraft was shown at Aero India 2019. The first flight is expected to be by 2025 and serial production might begin by 2030. The amca is currently the only fifth-generation fighter under development in India. Expected to get Ministry of Defense approval in second quarter of 2021. The aircraft, along with its naval variant, is intended to provide the bulk of the manned tactical air power of the Indian Air Force and the Indian Navy over the coming decades. AMCA would be the third supersonic jet of Indian origin after the HAL Marut and HAL Tejas. The AMCA is a twin-engine, stealth supersonic swing-roll fighter designed for the IAF. At present, the AMCA is planned as a fifth-generation fighter, but there is a strong hint that AMCA would integrate emerging best-of-breed sixth-generation technologies over time to stay in the loop. The amca would be the first fifth-generation fighter to enter service with the Indian Air Force. The amca is designed with shoulder-mounted diamond-shaped trapezoidal wings, a profile with substantial area ruling to reduce drag at transonic speeds, and an all-moving canard vertical V-tail with large fuselage-mounted tail wing. Flight control surfaces include leading and trailing edge flaps, ailerons, rudders on the canted vertical stabilizers, and all-moving tailplanes. These surfaces also serve as air brakes. The cockpit features a single-seat configuration which is placed high near the air intakes and wings of the aircraft to provide good visibility to the pilot with a single bubble canopy construction. A leading-edge root extension, which is a small fillet, is situated on the front section of the intake and wings of the aircraft. It has a typically roughly rectangular shape, running forward from the leading edge of the wing root to a point along the fuselage. The aircraft features a tricycle landing gear configuration. The weapons bay is placed on the underside of the fuselage between the nose and main landing gear. The amca is designed to produce a very small radar cross-section. To accomplish this, it features serpentine-shaped air intakes to reduce radar exposure to the fan blade, which increases stealth. Uses an internal weapons bay and features the use of composites and other materials. The flight control surfaces are controlled by a central management computer system. The amca will have some sixth-generation characteristics such as an optionally manned, directed energy weapons, capable of controlling goop caves and swarm drones, stealth and radar signature edit. The amca design has inherent radar stealth, achieved through platform edge alignment insertion, body-conformal antenna and low-intercept radar. Diverterless supersonic inlet with serpentine ducts, which conceal engine fan blades, internal weapons bay and extensive use of composites in airframe. Sensors and avionics edit. The amca. Thanks for watching.